If log 2 base x is equal to 0.3, evaluate log 8 base x. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question has given us the value of log 2 base x as 0.3. We are going to use this to find the value of log 8 base x. 8 can be written in index form as 2 exponent 3, and so we are going to have log 2 exponent 3 base x. From logarithm, we know that if we have log b exponent n base a, it can be written as n log b base a. So if we apply the same thing here, then log 2 exponent 3 base x can be written as 3 log 2 base x. Remember, the question tells us that log 2 base x is equal to 0.3. And so 3 log 2 base x will be equal to 3 times 0.3, since log 2 base x is 0.3. 3 times 0.3 will give us 0.9. So if log 2 base x is 0.3, then log 8 base x is 0.9. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B.